everyone! Today I'm going to be detangling and curling Fashion Star Filly Tamara from the 1980s. This takes a bit of time to complete the entire process, so I've gone ahead and sped up the video to get you from start to finish a little faster. For the detangling, I will be using a small pet slicker brush with metal tines, a metal comb, and a pointed tip to help separate the hair. I'll also be using a spray bottle filled with water and a tiny bit of conditioner and an adjustable heat flat iron set on low. It should be around 200 degrees. It's really important when you're using heat that you keep the hair wet so that you don't damage the hair. Let's get started. Now that the hair is smooth and tangle-free, I'm ready for my curlers. I'm using straws cut to length and metal clips to hold it in place. I start by separating out a small section of hair, heating it, and then wrapping it around the straw. I recommend heating the hair that you're working on just because I found that it helps to set and hold the curl once the hair's dry. When you have short hair, you can add length by cutting squares from paper towels and then wrapping the paper towel around the ends of the hair. You can also use this trick for uneven ends or unruly hair that just doesn't want to cooperate. Now that all of the curlers are in place, you can set it aside to dry overnight or do a boil perm. I found that the heating and cooling of the perm just helps set the curls so that they hold better, but I've had good results with both methods. The air dry only method tends to create a softer curl, and over time it can relax a bit more and sometimes look a little more deflated than the boil permed hair. So she's had her boil perm now and has dried overnight, and now the fun begins of taking out her curlers. have been removed, I'm going to separate these curls into even smaller sections. The pointed tool comes in really handy to get them started, and then you'll need to twist them in the original direction of your curl to get them into position. The ends can get a little tangled sometimes, but just keep brushing in the direction of the curl and it should smooth out. I'll sometimes use my finger to wrap the end of the hair around while I'm neatening it up. That way it supports the curl and it goes in the direction that you want. Well guys, that just about finishes this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, or eBay at Twice Loved Trinkets. Again, thanks so much for being here, and we'll see you next time. Bye!